Sunkissed mole de ciruela. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds pork shoulder or loin, a half white onion, 3 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon salt, 1.5 cups dried plums, 4 pieces ancho chilies, 3 pieces guajillo chilies, 1 to 2 pieces chipotle meco or morita, 3 pieces Roma tomatoes, a half white onion. Step 1. Place the pork cubes in a large pot with a half onion, 3 garlic cloves, and salt. Cover with water and bring to a boil. Skim off any foam, then reduce heat and simmer for 45 to 50 minutes until tender. Reserve 3 cups of the cooking broth and set the meat aside. Step 2. While the meat simmers, place the dried plums in a bowl and cover with 1 cup of hot water. Let them rehydrate for 20 minutes until plump. Step 3. In a dry skillet or comal over medium heat, lightly toast the ancho, guajillo, and chipotle chilies for 30 to 60 seconds per side until fragrant but not burnt. Soak them in hot water for 15 minutes. Step 4. On the same skillet, roast the tomatoes, sliced onion, and unpeeled garlic cloves until charred and softened. Peel the garlic once cooled. Step 5. Toast the almonds, sesame seeds, cinnamon stick, and cloves in the skillet until the seeds are golden and the spices release their oils. Step 6. Fry the bread slice in a teaspoon of oil until it is deep golden brown and crispy. Step 7. Working in batches, blend the soaked chilies without soaking liquid, the rehydrated plums with their soaking liquid, roasted vegetables, toasted nuts, spices, and fried bread. Add 1 cup of the reserved pork broth to help the blades move. Step 8. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl to ensure a perfectly smooth, velvety texture. This is the hallmark of a professional mole. Step 9. Heat the lard or oil in a heavy-bottomed pot, ideally a clay cazuela. Once shimmering, pour in the mole paste. Be careful, as it may splatter. Step 10. Fry the paste over medium-low heat, stirring constantly for 10 to 12 minutes. The color will darken slightly and the oil will begin to separate at the edges. Step 11. Slowly whisk in the remaining 2 cups of pork broth. Simmer on low for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Step 12. Taste the sauce. Add salt as needed. If the plums weren't sweet enough, you can add a small pinch of piloncillo or brown sugar. Step 13. Add the cooked pork pieces into the sauce and simmer for another 10 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Step 14. Serve hot, garnishing with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and perhaps a few extra sliced plums. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.